To open the storm surge cover for underground access, take off the plastic cap and remove the bolt and washer with a drill or wrench. Using a J-hook, lift the arm enough to expose the hole on the arm. Insert a screwdriver into the hole to hold the arm in place. Insert a J-hook into the E-pick slot to open the cover. The integrated safety feature holds the cover open at 90 degrees. To close the cover, lift the cover to disengage the safety feature. Using the J-hook, close the cover. Use the J-hook to hold up the arm and remove the screwdriver, then lower the arm. Insert washer and bolt, then tighten. Replace plastic cap. During a storm surge or backflow event, the cover can lift up to 16 degrees, allowing water to flow. It remains attached so it can properly seat itself after the event.